We have learned about the introduction to Python in the last video. In this video, we will learn about how to install Python in Windows. Go to Chrome browser, type Python in the address bar. The first result we'll see is python.org, which is the official Python website. Click the URL. Once you are on the website, scroll down and you will find the download button. You can also find the latest version, which is 3.8.2. Click on that. It will present you with a list of files based on your operating system. I have a Windows, so I am going to download Windows 64 executable installer. Once it is downloaded, double click on it. It will present you with two options. One is install now, another one is customize installation. If you need to install Python in any other location, use customize installation. Else use install now. I am going to use install now option. So select the install now option. The installation process will start. Once it is finished, it will present you with the setup was a successful screen. Let's verify that Python has been installed successfully. Navigate to the Start menu and you will find 4 new files under recently added programs. Click Python 3.8 command prompt and type print hello world. Hello world will be printed back, which means we have successfully installed Python 3.8. You can also verify in IDLE. Go to Start and click IDLE. Type hello world, print hello world. Hello world will be print back. In the next video, we will learn about how to install PyCharm. Thank you.